Today, we're going to be talking about the one word that will change your manifestations forever. Once you know what this one word is, you'll be able to utilize it and you'll be able to actually shift the energy and the vibration by which you're doing your manifestation techniques. Let's go ahead and get into it. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you're here. Again, we're going to be talking about the one word that will change everything with your manifestations. I'm Keisha Reynolds. I'm an intuitive and spiritual healer. Let's go ahead and get into this. It's so juicy today. Okay, so the word is I am. I know it sounds so simple, but yet it will change everything because it's really not about what the word is. It's about the vibration of it. Okay, so this video, this information is not really about what you do, it's about what you don't do, meaning what we do unconsciously, because 90% of our programming is located at the subconscious level, and it's all of these tools and these codings that we utilize and that we go on autopilot with. So this is what we're trying to get at. This is what we're trying to shift. We're trying to change the core of the subconscious mind with this word. So, for example, when you're driving and you're driving and and you're going along about your day, and you're used to this route that you're going along, but you're thinking about the kids and work and finances and what have you, and you look up and 30 minutes have gone by, and you're looking around like, whoa, how did I actually get here? How did I get to this bridge or this exit without even realizing that I've gotten here? And it's because you're utilizing the subconscious programming that you already have at your disposal. And so what we're trying to do now is utilize the word I am to shift and tap into that subconscious mind. So in other words, what you want to do when you're trying to manifest something is you want to say, I am love. I am money. I am joy. Because it's really about becoming the vibration of the thing that it is that you're trying to attract. When you're hoping for something or when you're wanting for something, there's a difference in the vibration of that. Because that's a scarcity mindset to hope or to want. Because you're still yearning and desiring for those things that you don't have. So it's really demonstrating lack. But if you can say, I am that thing, then you vibrationally become a match with the thing that you're trying to manifest and bring into your life. So this is something that I really want you to think about, and I want you to remember as you're manifesting and as you're working towards this. This is not a labor of effort. This is just being. So I want you to close your eyes, and I want you to concentrate, and I want you to become that thing that you want to see so fully in your life. And I promise you, this will instantly shift your vibration because you're no longer striving for it. You're just becoming it. And it manifests truly into your life. So when you're doing your meditations and when you're doing your affirmations every morning, you can make this an affirmation itself. I am money. I am abundant. I am joy. I am happiness. And you can repeat those things several times to yourself every morning and just live into it. And I want you to comment below how this has transformed your manifestations. Comment below how becoming the thing that you want to see has so fully transpired in your life. I was attacked by a bug. So just become that. Do it on a daily basis, and then I want to know how this unfolds for you. I want you to comment below also to let me know what more manifestation techniques you want to know about. What more law of attraction techniques do you want to know about? Leave it below, and I am so excited to be on this journey with you. Check out my other videos. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. and press that notification button so that you are alerted anytime I upload a new video. Thank you, Spark Beans, for being present today. Check out my other videos and have a great day. Namaste.